Hey guys, me again with my VC Commodore. It's another part. Got it running and I've got the exhaust. Well, it made the exhaust sound heaps better. So thought I'd show you. In the other videos you'll be able to see the difference of how it used to sound. And yeah. So I just want to cover some of the things. We have the gear indicator light working, so if I put it in gear, put it in drive for instance, the drive square lights up, same with neutral, drive, back in park, so that's all working. The hissing sound is the brake booster, but that's alright, just have to fix that. And yeah, everything works, all my lights work. Let's go through that. Indicator works. Left indicator. It's flashing over there. Lights. Headlights. High beams. Low beam. So yeah, all that's working. That works. Slowly. Muscle. You see it slowly building a bit of temperature. Freaking no fuel in it as usual. Nothing new with this car. So I wanted to show you something cool. So to prevent this car from being moved, you have to pull these up to. I'll show you. You have to pull this up to put it in gear. Like that. You have to just pull it up. Because if you don't, you can't move it. So to prevent this car from being moved, what you use is a lock. Probably a thicker one would be better, but you put it around here, swing it around, and lock it on. Now the shackle of the lock will prevent this from being pulled up, therefore not being able to put it in gear and probably saving your car. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, I'll show you how it sounds. Only a little bit of throttle. Don't want to rev the old girl too much and blow the engine. Nice a V8, take a bit, but still you'd have to rev it like a maniac. Show you back here. Just to come away from there because it's pretty noisy and you probably don't hear me. So yeah, that was barely any throttle. She sounded pretty good. I'll show you the engine for those of you who haven't seen it. So switch over here is the bonnet light. There it is. And we'll switch that. You can see it better in the dark. There's the engine. I recently repaired the alternator. Tightened the belt for it. Service, new coolant. Yeah, what else? Oh, switch it off now so you guys can actually hear me. Oh, I'll show you from the side. Sounds really loud. if you're right here now, the camera probably can't pick up the sound decibels as good, but it's really loud. That's all I can say. Switch it off. Lights are off. Yeah. So that's a neat little trick I showed you guys there about this, to keep it in park. Because keeping a car in park means you can't move it. Alright. So I'll show you guys what I've been doing to it. I don't know if you can see, but this part of the bonnet is shinier than this part. See, it can reflect a lot more better. Here it's sort of dull. So what I've been doing is polishing it with just a normal polishing compound and a microfiber rag. So it's been polished up to there, here, and the roof is actually coming pretty decent. We've done it here as well, down there, and a little bit on the boot, not much, but the more you do it, cutting compound a little bit better, so I'm probably going to get some of that next week. What else? Yeah, I mentioned I fixed the alternator. Yeah, that's pretty much it actually. So yeah, we're gonna polish the whole car. Probably you'll see in one of the videos when it's all polished and it looks better. Probably knock out a few dents too. So that one here and another one here. Probably see it there now. You can fix that. Bleed the brakes some more. Test drive to see how she goes. Tire needs fixing. But all that's all minor stuff. As long as the engine goes and goes strong, that's good. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe.